In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Sam's Club membership. To get started, go to the Sam's Club website. If you want to review your membership details before canceling, sign into your account first. This can be helpful if you want to confirm the membership status, check whether auto-renew is enabled, or simply make sure you have the right account information ready before contacting support. Next, gather your membership information, including your membership number and any account details you may need. Having this ready ahead of time can make the cancellation process much smoother, especially if you need to speak with a representative or verify your identity. Once you're prepared, choose the cancellation method that works best for you. One option is to visit the member services desk at a Sam's Club location and request the cancellation in person. If you prefer not to go to a store, you can call Sam's Club member services and ask them to process the cancellation for you. In some cases, online chat may also be available, which can be a convenient option if you'd rather handle everything digitally. Whichever method you choose, be ready to verify your identity by providing the requested account information. This is a standard step to protect your account and make sure only the account holder can make membership changes. After that, clearly request that your membership be canceled and follow any instructions the representative gives you. If you think you may qualify for a refund of your membership fee, ask about the 100% satisfaction membership guarantee. Refund eligibility depends on Sam's Club's current membership policy, so it's worth checking while you're already in contact with support. Before you finish, confirm that the cancellation has been completed. It's a good idea to ask for a confirmation email or reference number for your records. That way, if there's any confusion later, you'll have proof of the request and the date it was processed. If your membership is set to renew automatically and you only want to stop future charges, make sure auto renew is turned off. Also, if your membership renews through a Sam's Club credit account, you may need to contact the card issuer separately to stop automatic billing. Finally, check your account or email to verify that the cancellation has gone through. Once you receive confirmation, keep it in a safe place in case you need to refer back to it later. And that's how to cancel your Sam's Club membership quickly and smoothly.